Good morning, guys. It's Rachel. What's up, you guys? Let's go. Let's phone what you guys been doing anything for fashion, didn't do anything. So, well, right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So that is what's going on. I'm really tired today. It's a little bit, but it's okay. So I will talk to you guys when I'm done work. So today we drilled a hole in the drum because we have to dig a big hole for the metal. So yeah, I'm tired. Really tired. So we drilled a hole in the gas tank to make sure there's no more gas. So much work today. We got the shop cleaned up, like the wash bay cleaned up, tidy up a little bit, so it's nice and neat. So yeah, it's crazy how much stuff we got done today. It's like, wow. I'm really tired, but it's okay. I got this. So I will talk to you guys when we get home. So right now, you guys, I'm just going back to work. I'm doing a route this afternoon, so that is what's going on, you guys. We're having chicken, curly fries, and rice.
I literally came in to tell Daddy a message. No, you had to go to bed. What do you mean, no? Yeah, that's the window. Not bye. It's bedtime.
Hi. Hi. Bye.
Okay, bedtime. No, it's it's time to go to bed. Yeah. Not bye-bye. Can you go get your milk? Yeah, go get your milk. Hey, and I'll see you in the morning, okay? Go get Dad. No, not bye-bye. Go get Dad. Okay, good night. Go get him. Say I love you, Dada.
Bye.
Good night, Silas. I love you.
I hope you guys do. So, if you guys do, give a big thumbs up. Good night.